guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I post new videos at least once a week. Usually they're tea related, sometimes they have something to do with Disney, or sometimes I just like to do fun random vlogs. Today I'm gonna be reviewing DAVIDSTea's Zest Wishes. So before we do anything else, let's get that tea steeping. Oh, it smells good. Smells good already. That's a good sign. All right, so now we can go ahead and set this to the side and check out those ingredients. So Zest Wishes, an oolong tea, laced with warm cinnamon, cardamom, and zesty orange peel. This cozy oolong is the perfect way to wake up on a winter morning. Ingredients are cinnamon, orange peel, oolong tea, apple, cardamom, natural orange and cinnamon flavoring. I'm really excited that it's an oolong tea. I love green teas and oolongs, but I feel like they will do more like specialties in like greens than oolongs. So whenever there's like a new tea that's an oolong that isn't just like a straight tea, I get super excited. So this one is not only an oolong, but also it has cinnamon and cardamom in it. And I love those like warming spices, especially cardamom. Like I feel like cardamom is just like the perfect way to like ring in the Christmas season. It just like warms you from the inside out and it just tastes so festive and special. And you obviously can't go wrong with cinnamon. So the name Zest Wishes is super cute. I love when DAVIDSTea does like cute punny names. It's adorable. I recently realized that on the website, there's a lot more fun information to read than just on the bags of tea. So I'm gonna pull up their website and see what they have to say about Zest Wishes and if we could get a little bit of information that isn't already on the bag. Okay, so there is a completely different description on the website than there is on the bag. It says, a rich caffeinated breakfast tea. It's got all the comforting melt in your mouth flavors of a spicy baked treat. Tangy but not overly sweet. It'll have you leaping out of bed in no time. I think that's it then. I thought there would be a little bit more, but let's check out that loose tea. It smells really orangey. Like I definitely smell that orange. And it smells like such a beautiful complement to the cinnamon. Like those two flavors together, they both have like a really beautiful brightness. So smelling the orange in the context of like a spiced tea is really cool because there are of course teas that are like, you know, orange and lemon, orange in a fruity context, but I really like the complement of the orange with the sweet spices like cinnamon. So this tea has a lot of little fine pieces. I do see the little oolong leaves. Oolong is the third ingredient on here, so there will be more cinnamon and more orange peel than oolong. And I definitely see the pieces of cinnamon. And the orange peel must be these little orangey guys here. And I love seeing those big cardamom pieces, like the big cardamom pods. I love that. Let me see if I have one here. Oh, I do. Cardamom is so festive. I want to like bake cardamom cookies this year. And then of course the oolong is all rolled up into a little ball. So when the tea steeps, the leaves open up and it's really cool. And if you steep your oolong over and over, each time you steep it, it will like unfold a little bit more and you'll get a different flavor every time. So that's a cool experiment you can try with your tea to get a little more for your money. This tea I can picture like by the smell of it. I feel like you could drink this all year round and you'd be like, okay, like this isn't technically, you know, there's nothing that makes it like just for Christmas. It has a lot of awesome flavors that people who like tea enjoy all year. Yeah, it's a lot of really tiny little pieces. Not a whole lot of big chunks in this tea. I feel like with a lot of DAVIDSTeas, we get a lot of like big chunks of stuff, which I like because it's like visually appealing and I like to be able to like see each ingredient. I think that's really cool. Something I enjoy, but I'd be curious why all these look so little. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the infuser. So if we look at the leaves now, they are all opened up. And it smells really good. It smells like The orange and the cinnamon go together so nice. I know I just said this for Halloween about that Monster Mash tea. I was saying how the smell of that reminded me of when you go to the craft store and there's those like scented pine cones that smell like cinnamon. I'm getting that with this too. Well, because it's cinnamon, so I guess it's kind of, it universally smells like that, but the orange just makes it so like, it adds such a brightness. And I even do smell like the actual oolong. I love the flavor of just like a straight oolong. It tastes so nice. It has like almost like a nuttiness and like a creaminess, and it's one of my very favorites to drink just a straight oolong tea. I feel like that oolong flavor is really gonna come through in the flavor of this tea because I can already smell it. Let's give it a try. I am getting the oolong flavor, which is what I was hoping from this tea. It's really good. I really am tasting that oolong flavor, and it's adding like such a buttery, like delicious flavor into this. It doesn't get lost under like the cinnamon and the orange, which I was a little worried that it might, but I'm definitely tasting it, which is awesome. This tastes like something that I would love in like the form of a cookie or like a baked good of some kind. I love the sweetness and the brightness of like the cinnamon and the orange together. I'm not tasting too much cardamom, but with the cinnamon, the orange, and the oolong, I'm not like missing it really. It does have that like bright sweetness that the Spice is Right has, but without that like strong bite of spice. It's like a sweet spice. It's very warming. It does taste Christmassy. I can imagine drinking this all year round, but for Christmas, like it's definitely perfect for the holidays. I wonder how it would be as a latte with all the orange. I'm kind of curious how it would be because, you know, things with cinnamon and cardamom tend to make awesome lattes, but the orange might make it a little weird. I'd be curious. So I'm not sure if I would buy this tea again, just because like it's not really all that unique, to be honest, like to me at least. I do love that it's an oolong, but I don't know if I would personally drink like an orange and cinnamon tea super often. So I'll probably just finish up what I have and that will be it. I probably wouldn't reinvest in any more of this. But I'm definitely gonna enjoy the rest of what I have. I have enough for like about 6 cups or so, and I will make those 6 cups super cozy and festive. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of DaVidStea's brand new Zest Wishes. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this and what you think. What do you think of orange and cinnamon together? Do you think that's a cool combination? I hope you're having a beautiful holiday season, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.